It took Chevrolet some 4 years to revise the range-topping ZR1, but the wait was definitely worth it. The new supercharged coupe surpasses every rumor we've been through so far with a significantly revised exterior, a menacing, race-inspired rear wing, and a supercharged V8 engine that was designed on a clean sheet. After years of speculation, dozens of camouflaged test cars, and rumors that GM is also working on a mid-engined Corvette, the ZR1 is here to prove that Chevrolet isn't yet willing to give up on its fantastic tradition and that the ZR1 legend will live on for a few more years. And, for the very first time since the Corvette was introduced more than 5 decades ago, it's safe to say that Chevrolet finally has a competitor for the high-end supercars out there. Keep reading to find out why. Up front, the headlamps and the nose are the only features that remind of the C7 Corvette. The bumper was redesigned on a clean sheet. The wide intake seen on other Corvettes is gone, replaced by a 3-piece layout with a narrower opening in the middle and 2 massive intakes onto the sides. A honeycomb-like mesh complements all 3, but the holes are larger than usual, which gives the bumper a menacing stance. The splitter is bigger than any similar unit seen on a Corvette before and puts even that of the race-spec C7R to shame. The engine hood is also new, and its center section is insanely tall. Designed this way in order to make way for the larger supercharger, it has a custom carbon fiber halo opening. As we move on to the sides, one can see new vertical fins on the side splitter, redesigned vents on the front fenders, and more aggressive side skirts. Around back, everything seems to be the same below the decklid. The ZR1 keeps the 4-pipe, center-mounted layout and the same diffuser, with only a ZR1 badge setting it apart from the Z06. However, there's a new wing to talk about. Actually, there's 2 because Chevrolet offers 2 wind-tunnel design aero packages. Upgrades aren't as radical inside the cabin, but this is far from surprising. The Z06 gained mild updates of the standard model, so I'm not surprised to see that the ZR1 package doesn't change all that much inside the cabin. But you will notice that this isn't a Z06 as soon as you open the door. The first thing that catches the eye is the carbon fiber inserts on the steering wheel. The seats are also wrapped in leather as standard, while Alcantara inserts remind that this bed was built for quick lap times. Optionally, you can go with competition sport seats, which are wrapped in nappa leather and have heating and ventilation. Chevy also offers the performance data recorder that allows you to record your experience at the track, and a Bose premium audio system.